March is Women's History Month, and to celebrate, we are focusing on some amazing women in STEM. Ruth Mary Rogan Benarito was an American chemist and inventor known for her work related to the textile industry, including the development of wash-and-wear cotton fabrics. Benarito found a way to chemically treat the surface of cotton that led to wrinkle, stain, and flame-resistant fabrics. Edith Clark was the first woman to be professionally employed as an electrical engineer in the United States. During this time, she invented the Clark calculator, which solved equations involving electric current, voltage, and impedance in power and transmission lines. The device could solve equations 10 times faster than previous methods. Rachel Louise Carson was a marine biologist, author, and conservationist whose writings led to a nationwide ban on pesticides that were bad for the environment. Environmental and conservation organizations continue to celebrate Carson's work today. Grace Hopper was one of the first programmers of the Harvard Mark I computer. She was a pioneer of computer programming and invented one of the first linkers, a computer program used to organize and file. The programming language she created is still in use to this day. Biochemist Florence Barbara developed a groundbreaking procedure that led to the standard tuberculosis test used to detect the potentially deadly virus in infants, children, and adults around the world in the 1930s. Thanks to her important work in biochemistry, many lives were saved. These women in STEM, along with countless others, played a huge role in getting us to where we are today and paved the way for young women everywhere.